Hi, I'm going to show you how to add a personal greeting to your reports that will display the person's name and give them a greeting. We're going to do this all through DAX. So first, I have an empty table here and I'm just going to create a new measure. So I'm just going to right click that and go to new measure. And then the first thing we're going to start utilizing is variables. So I'm going to go down a level and I'll rename that measure in a minute. And I'm going to say, okay, my first variable, I want the user's name on this specific PC. So I'm going to call that underscore user, or you can call it whatever you want, equals, and we're going to use the username function, and that will give us the username on this PC. I'm going to hit Alt Enter to go down another row. I'm going to create another variable, and I want to call this variable time of day because I want to be able to say good evening or good morning or good afternoon to this person through our personalized greeting. So I'm going to say time of day, and from this I'm just going to grab the hour that the person is on the PC and opening this report. So I'm just going to use the hour function, and then I'm going to pass it in. Instead of a date, I'm going to tell it the date is now. And that will be able to give us the time that person's on their PC. Going to go down a level. And now that we have the time now, I want to be able to give that greeting to say hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. So now we need another variable, and let's call that our greeting. Equals. And now we need to use some logic to tell us, okay, if it's before 12, let's say good morning. If it's between 12 and 5, let's say good afternoon. And then after that, let's use good evening. So we know that sounds like a conditional, which the knee-jerk reaction is used if, but it will take a little longer to write. So I'm going to use switch. And if you don't know how to use a switch function, I have a video that I can put in the description below. So we're going to start out with the switch function, and we're going to say if something is true. So now I'm going to pass it the true function. If this is true, then I wanted to do my logic. So if, and now we're going to utilize that time of day. If time of day is less than, let's say 12, we want to say good morning, comma. Now that's the first part of that conditional. The next part, let's go down, let's format this a little bit so we can read it. And we want to say if time of day, and now we need to put two conditions here. If time of day is greater than 12, and we need to use that ampersand twice, and time of day is less than 5. Now this is military time, so we want to use 17, 24-hour clock. We want to be able to say good afternoon. Okay. And the else part of this, I'm going to go down and say, okay, anything that doesn't fall into those two conditions, we know that's going to be nighttime. So let's call that good evening. Now we have finished with that, and I'm going to close off that function. Now we have everything we need to display the name and the greeting. So I'm going to close off these variables. So I'm going to hit Alt Enter to go down a level and use return. And then I'm going to say give me these two things together. So we want to concatenate them. So let's use the concatenate function. So the first text I want to be able to use my greeting, right? So there, it's in a variable. I just use greeting. That's the first text. And then I add the next text, which is the username. Now, one thing I forgot to do, and I'm going to show you in 1 second what I forgot to do, is to put a space behind each one of these so that the two texts are not smashed together. So I'm going to go here and put a space and a space and a space. And let's call this our greeting. Let's call it dynamic greeting, because this will change whoever's PC is on. Okay, so now we have that. We have our dynamic greeting. I'm going to pull this in to the report pane. There it is. And now we want to turn this into a card. And let's see what we have. Now we can see we have good evening and it's 10:52 p.m. But wow, that is not that pretty because my username is actually my desktop name. So how can we fix this? If you have a bunch of people who are using a different PC, you can create a lookup table. So I have a lookup table here and I'll show you that. So if I go over to this and I click my lookup table, here are the two users, Billy Bob and Madonna, and there's their username and there's their real name. So I'm just going to add one more line to our dynamic greeting to fix this. So let's go back into our dynamic greeting, and now we're going to use a new variable. So I'm going to put it right after user just because it'll be easier to find. So I'm going to alt enter, and then I'm going to call this, let's call that there display name. And then I'm going to say, okay, let's use the lookup function. So this is just like a VLOOKUP. What do I want it to return? The result? I want it to give me the real name. All right. Where should it find the column that is linking the two? It should find it in that user lookup table and look for user, because user is the same desktop number. And then what do I want to connect it with? I want to connect it with our user variable there. And that's underscore. There we go. Oops, let's get rid of that little piece. All right. Now instead of bringing in just the username, let's bring in the display name. And now we have that. Now we have our greeting that we can give to our user that is dynamic. Let's get rid of the header category. And now we can put that in the corner with the rest of our report. And every time that person opens this report, you can put a little bit of smile on their face. I hope that helps. Thank you.